Hello student, good morning. We are learning the chapter number 5 electrochemistry, and today's part is very important as far as the numericals are concerned, and this unit is the quantitative aspects of electrolysis. In this case the different formulas are given here, and with this we calculate the different numericals. By learning these formulae, remembering this formulae, you can calculate the numericals. So there are two types of formulae, A and B. This is for Faraday's first law and this is for Faraday's second law. When single cell is there and when the cells connected in series or two cells are there. So first we learn about the cell which having the 5 different formulae. The first is quantity of electricity passed, Q is equal to I into T. The unit of Q is coulomb and I is ampere, time is second. So if you remember this formula, you can write all these formulae very easily. Q equal to IT. Second, number of moles of electrons actually passed. Number of moles of electron passed is equal to Q, means this Q means I into T divided by 96500 coulomb per mole. Means we are writing here Q. Instead of this Q, you can write I into T here. Third, mole ratio. What is mole ratio? Moles of the product formed in half reaction divided by moles of the electron required in the half reaction. For example, this is the reduction half reaction. Then how the mole ratio can be calculated? Very simple. Observe this reaction. Here no coefficient means here 1 is present. How many electrons are required? 2 electrons required. How many copper? 1. So what is the mole ratio? Here as this formula, moles of product formed. This is the product. How moles? 1. Moles of electron required. How many electrons required? 2. Therefore 1 divided by 2 equal to 0.5. This is actually calculation for the mole ratio. The formula is large but the calculation is very small and simple. The fourth one is moles of the product or the substance formed is equal to I into T means Q. Here this I into T you can write here Q divided by 96500 coulomb per mole into mole ratio means this mole ratio. Means formula number second multiplied by formula number third. You can remember like this. How the formula number 4 is obtained? 2 multiplied by 3. Then next, mass of the substance produced or the mass of the product produced is equal to these two quantity plus the next one. Means I into T or Q divided by 96500 coulomb per mole into mole ratio into molar mass of the product. In this manner, one by one, the quantity is added here. And the formulae you have to learn very nicely. If you remember the formulae, you can put up the values and calculate the numericals. The B formula for the two cells having different electrolyte when connected in series. What is the formula? W1 divided by mole ratio into M1 equal to W2 divided by mole ratio of second substance or second electrode into M2. What are the different terms? W1 and W2 are mass of the substance 1 and 2. And M1, M2 molar mass of the substance 1 and 2. Means W for the weight or the mass of the substance and M for the molecular weight or the molar mass. Now you have to learn all these formulae and the numericals, different numericals will be explained in the last video. If you remember the formula, then calculation is very simple. So learn all these formulae nicely.